I'm opening my Chrome browser and typing here Chrome Web Store. Opening Chrome Web Store. In here, I'm tapping on this three dot, turning on desktop side. Now, let's search here VPN. And here we can see lots of VPN extensions for Google Chrome browser. Let's tap any of them. And we can see item currently unavailable. So on mobile Chrome browser, we can't add any VPN extension directly in our Chrome browser. Let's open a different VPN extension. We can see the warning. We can't actually add any extension, including VPN extension, to our Chrome browser. So all you have to need, if you want to access any blocked website using your Chrome browser, just go to your Play Store. In Play Store, search for Super VPN. Now all you have to need, install the Super VPN app on your Android phone. Once the app installed, now open the VPN app in your Android phone. Set up the VPN if your first time. Now just tap on connect, tap on OK. And here we can see the VPN successfully connected. Now all you have to need, open your Chrome browser and go ahead and open the website, block website, and you'll be able to easily access the blocked website from your Chrome browser. Thanks for watching.